This is the Mars helicopter developed by NASA, which is name is Ingenuity. Take a look on this. How does it works on the surface of the Mars? Earth test of flight in NASA test facility according to the gravity of Mars. This is the Mars helicopter. This consists of 4 landing legs, one lithium-ion battery. This consists of one heater to keep it warm when there is a very low temperature in Mars near minus 90 degrees Celsius. And this consists of high revolution speed motor with a speed of 2600 rpm, means revolution per minute. And this have a very advanced sensors and cameras at the bottom of the lander. This is the image of that. This is kept for new technology of space industry to find a suitable place on the Mars surface to land our next spacecraft so that there would be a soft landing. This is a technical demonstration of Mars helicopter. This establishes a wireless data connection between the Mars helicopter and the Perseverance rover. Then the data would be transferred to Earth. In this way, the photo taken by Ingenuity and other data would be shared to Earth. So we will meet in next video.